If in a quadrilateral ABCD, AB equal to BC equal to 5 centimeters, ABCD, ABCD, AB is 5, BC is 5. BD is perpendicular to AC, such that AO equal to CO is equal to 3. 3. O is the point of intersection of the diagonals. Okay, wonderful. And CD is 7. What is the shape? Wonderful, wonderful question. We've got this diagram completely down to a pad. This is perpendicular and this bisects. Think about this. We take triangle ABC. These two are equal, so it's an isosceles triangle. ABC is isosceles. If we draw a line that is perpendicular, it will bisect. Right? So this is perpendicular and it bisects. Now I'm extending this. Right? So that is CD 7. So imagine triangle DAO and DOC. One angle is 90. These two are equal. OD is common. So by SAS congruence, we can say triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD. Side angle side. OC equal to OA. Angle COD equal to angle AOD. And OD is common. So these two triangles are congruent, or this should be equal to this. So we have these two are equal, these two are equal. We further know that BC is 5, AB is 5, 7 and 7. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. One diagonal is the perpendicular bisector of the other, or we are looking for a kite. Parallelogram, opposite sides will be parallel and equal. Rhombus, all four sides will be equal. Rectangle, opposite sides will be equal and one angle will be 90. All four angles will be 90. We are looking at a shape where pairs of adjacent sides are equal. That is a kite.